How to fix Commonwealth Bank login problem. So, first of all, you have to make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi connection. You can try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that fixes the error. Now after that, double check that you are entering the correct username, password or client number. If you have forgotten your password, you can simply tap on forgot password option to reset it. Now, make sure you're using the latest version of Commonwealth Bank application from the App Store. If any update is available, install it, then close and then reopen the app. Now, if you're still having trouble, restart your phone. This can clear temporary glitches that may be preventing you from logging in. You should even check whether Commonwealth Bank is experiencing a server outage or scheduled maintenance. If the servers are down, you need to wait until the services is restored. And if none of these problem fixes the error, that Commonwealth customer support for further assistance. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking